Welcome to the channel. This is Porsche 911.1955 Black, and today we're diving into a true automotive legend, the Porsche 911 from 1955, a masterpiece that redefined the sports car world and still stands as one of the most iconic designs in automotive history. This black beauty isn't just a car, it's a symbol of timeless engineering, German precision, and pure driving passion. Let's begin with the exterior. 1955 Porsche 911 carries the unmistakable DNA that would go on to influence decades of Porsche design. Its smooth, rounded body lines, compact proportions, and sweeping curves make it a rolling sculpture of aerodynamic elegance. Glossy black paint enhances its sophisticated yet aggressive look, catching light perfectly across the fenders and roofline. Up front, those round headlamps sit proudly, a design signature that would define Porsche for generations. The chrome detailing around the windows and bumpers adds a touch of class that contrasts beautifully with the deep black finish, giving it a refined and premium presence even by modern standards. Proportions of the 1955 911 are balanced in a way few cars could achieve at the time. Sloping rear roofline seamlessly flows into the rear engine deck, giving it that distinctive, fastback silhouette Porsche is known for. Lightweight steel body and compact size give the car a sense of agility even when standing still. Rear end, with its elegantly placed engine vents and classic Porsche badging, reminds you of an era when design wasn't dictated by computers but by craftsmanship and intuition. Every curve has purpose, every line enhances performance. Moving on to performance, the 1955 Porsche 911 wasn't just a pretty face. Under the rear lid sits an air-cooled flat-six engine, a mechanical marvel for its time. It produced around 130 horsepower, which might sound modest today, but given the car's incredibly lightweight, it delivered an exhilarating driving experience. The engine's placement over the rear axle gave the car a unique handling character, lively, responsive, and thrilling when driven by skilled hands. Porsche engineered the 911 for pure driver engagement. The acceleration felt raw, immediate, and mechanical, giving drivers a direct connection between throttle and motion. Car's balance and cornering ability set it apart from anything else in the 1950s. Its independent suspension, precise steering, and rear-engine traction allowed it to grip the road with confidence while offering the kind of feedback few cars could match. It wasn't about brute power, it was about control, precision, and the feeling of being one with the machine. Whether you were taking it through winding European roads or cruising on open highways, the 1955 911 delivered a sensation that made you fall in love with driving all over again. Manual gearbox added another layer of involvement. Each shift was deliberate, mechanical, and rewarding. The clutch feel, the gearbox engagement, the way the engine responded, everything was designed to remind you that this wasn't just transportation, this was an experience. The sound of the flat-six engine, especially in the black 1955 model, is something every car enthusiast remembers, that distinctive Porsche note, a symphony of engineering perfection. Taking a brief look inside, the interior of the 1955 Porsche 911 reflects simplicity, purpose, and elegance. Cabin is driver-focused, with a classic three-spoke steering wheel, analog gauges, and a dashboard layout that emphasizes clarity and function. Leather seats are firm yet comfortable, giving you the right amount of support for spirited driving. Every material used inside feels crafted with intent: metal switches, solid knobs, and fine stitching. There's no unnecessary clutter, just a pure driving environment. Built for performance and timeless style. Combination of its iconic design, balanced performance, and pure driving dynamics made the 1955 Porsche 911 a true pioneer. It laid the foundation for every Porsche that followed, proving that sports cars could be both elegant and exhilarating. Even today, this black 1955 911 remains one of the most desirable classics ever built, a machine that continues to inspire, excite, and define what it means to be a Porsche. Is Porsche 911.1955 Black, celebrating one of the greatest automotive icons of all time.